Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. So, guess what's arrived? Yeah, it has been one hell of a morning, let me tell you. It was supposed to arrive at 10:30 this morning. It is now, let me see, it is 1:12, and he just arrived like 2 minutes ago. Um, yeah, let me tell you, I wasn't concerned about the snake's health, but I've been like excited and anxious like all of yesterday and all night, and then of course all morning till like 10:30, like, hoping he would be here. And I checked the tracking earlier this morning, and it said it was in Portland at like 7:30, and Portland's about 2 hours away from here. So I'm like, okay, no worries. The closer it got to like 10:30, I checked it again, and it said it was still in Portland. And I was like, wait, what? It can't be in Portland because it has to be here like in like 30 minutes. Like I don't understand. Um, but you know, it was delayed a little bit. It didn't get into you. Well, we got to Springfield, which is maybe like 8 minutes in that direction. Uh, and it got there probably like 11:40, and so it took that time to get from there to here. And so they gotta load the trucks and do all that everything, and then take the route. So obviously they can't just come straight to me in that 8 minute drive, and that's okay. But it was definitely just like, oh my God, hurry up and get here! I want my snake. But he's here now, and I'm about to do an opening video or an unboxing video, and show you guys what it looks like. You know how this camera is. You're not going to get as great of an image as I would like you to. But, like I did last time, I'm just going to go ahead and put a nice string of pictures of him up very shortly after getting this opened. I just want you guys to see how he's all packaged up and that he's safe and alive. And then I will just go ahead and take a crap ton of pictures and post them right at the end of this. So, stay tuned. Alright, got the knife, an X-Acto knife. Get you open. Oh, no. That's weird. That was not securely in there. That's okay. I'm alive. Just use the blade now. Perfect. Alright. Got my card. Oh, wait, no, that's a sticker. Nice. Thank you. Got a nice, cool sticker there. Oh, wait, go this way. Huh. Like that, like that, like that. This card. Well, of course, my camera, you probably ain't seeing that as well, so I'll just go ahead and take a picture of it so you can. Alright. Top off. Got some good old stuffings. Yeah, super stuffings. Alright, we've got a heating pad, nice and warm in there. Sitting right up and close and snugly to the snake. He's a little chilled, but that's okay. He was still sitting next to the heating pad, so I'm not sure that's just me to the touch. They're cold-blooded creatures, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah, that's it. That's the packaging. Good and healthy, very nicely packaged, very cushioned. I'm not concerned about any super hardcore top jostling that he went through. Again, I'm not speaking very loud. I was just saying that I'm not concerned about any hardcore jostling that he went through because, he had a lot of cushion, and he had a heating pad, and everything was great. So he's a little chill, but I mean, they're cold-blooded creatures, so until he gets like directly on some warmth, he's gonna feel that way. But yeah, let's get him opened. Somebody told me that I had some bad volume something happening with my videos, and that people couldn't quite hear me. I think it was because I had my heater on in my previous video, so my heater's not on this time, and hopefully that's not interfering with the sound. But I think maybe I was talking pretty low in my last video, and it just didn't come out as well, so, and I know I just started off talking really low with this one, so I apologize for that, and I hope you can hear me from now on through the rest of it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Wow. Just wow. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You are beautiful. Oh my goodness, yes. Of course, those pictures did not do it justice. I don't think any picture that I can take will ever do him justice. Wow, he has got some gorgeous eyes. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Wow. Oh my god. Oh wow, you're amazing. Oh, I do not have a name for you yet, but I'm going to have to really think about a good one. Oh my goodness. Ah, oh, look at it. Look at him. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and put some pictures in while I'm saying all this ohing and ahhing over this beautiful steak, since you don't have to, like, just look at me ohing at him. But oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, I'm going to pull back away from the camera a little bit because it seems to show up a little better when I'm further away. Oh, wow. Just wow. Just absolute wow. Good job. Good job, ZTK. This is a really fine specimen. Oh my goodness. Wow. You did good work here, my man. This is beautiful. I am so happy with this snake. Oh, I knew you were supposed to be with me. Yes, and now that you're here, it's just even more confirmed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna, wow. Yeah, you know what? Oh, wow. Wow. Blackballed, thank you so much again, dude. Like, you made this beautiful thing possible in my life. You made him possible, so thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much again. Blackballed, you are an awesome man. You deserve so much good in your life, and I hope so much good comes your way. Bless you, dude. Like, ZTK, beautiful, beautiful snake, man. You did good here. You did good. Yes, yes. I'm not going to keep ranting now and saying ooh and ah to this beautiful thing. I'm going to go ahead and put some pictures now, or snap some pictures of this beauty before he starts getting super active, which he's already seeming to do. So I want to get some good shots of him before he gets all active and almost impossible to shoot like some of my other snakes are. So, oh wow. Yeah, thank you guys. Welcome to TWR is back. I didn't really do my normal intro. I was just so excited. Alright. Thank you so much for checking in to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you again to Blackballs for making this happen. Thank you again for ZTK for getting him here to me nice and safe and keeping me communicating with me. Wow, words. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this cutie in his home now, and maybe I'll do a little video later of how I got that set up. But yeah, I enjoy these pictures that I'm about to post right now.
Perfect.